Hello, everybody. Peter Gander here. I am excited to be back to do another video on another low cap gem. So, of course, let's get this out of the way. I am not a financial advisor. This is not meant for financial advice, it's for entertainment and educational purposes. What we did as a team is we got together, we said, hey, there are going to be some tokens that are less than $1 million that have had teams that have worked on them throughout the last entire bear market. And they've developed and built and they've made progress. They just have what we could call community fatigue, right? Their community that was with them during the bull run has just, after 2 years of a bear run, they just lost a little bit of interest. However, the team has continued to push forward. So we wanted to do videos on those to bring them to your attention. This is not full research, guys. This is an overview of the project for you to do your own research and move forward from there. So with that, let's jump into Fractal. Now, I have to tell you, this project is probably the most incredible low cap gem that we've done. If you look at the technology and the people that these are dealing with, this video might be a little bit longer than our other ones just because this is a serious project. Now, $257,000 market cap, fully diluted is 7.2 million. I think maybe part of the reason why this has a low market cap is it's only got about 3.5–4% of the total tokens that are in distribution, right? That are here, because you've got your total supply and you've got your max supply. Now, I got to tell you, I don't know, no inside information at all, but you guys know that Cake is talking about burning 450 million from their treasury. There's rumors that XRP may do the same thing. This could be at some point they go, hey, we don't need all these in our treasury. Let's burn them and get them out of production, and then lower that circulating supply, which would change these dynamics. So we've got 0.01553. Why do I say this is one of the most incredible gems? These guys have built incredible technology, and when you're going to see the partnerships that they have and the things that they've been doing. So it's on the Ethereum chain. We can come over here and see that it is on Bitfinex, Balaxy, and on Uniswap. Now, I've owned this token for over 2 years. I bought it in the last bull run, and I've just held on to it. And of course, I said, oh, let me go see how it's doing. I went and checked and saw that it was down in the few $100,000 range. It was over $1 at one point, right? So it's at 0.016 at this time right now. So first, let's jump over to Twitter, okay, or X. Listen to this. 1 million users of their product right now. 250 plus projects are using their technology. They're building the decentralized identity stack that works for everyone, everywhere. This is a serious project, but if you go through and look at this, this IDOS network, I have it pulled up. We're going to look at that as well. So they have 44,000 subscribers on their channel. You can go down and see that they're active in posting. This is their little write-up there, and then we can come down to their posts. And they've got a bunch of posts here that you can go through and look at. December 15th, December 17th, December 20th, the partnership that they have with the IDOS network. I actually have that site pulled up. We're going to take a look at that. Now, guys, this is an extremely important feature here. Decentralization at some point needs to have a solution to being able to identify somebody without identifying. This is one of the biggest issues in the company or the project that solves this in conjunction with the other projects that they're working with, because you're going to see, I don't want to even think about what it could be worth in the value that they're creating there. That's how big this thought of identity. I mean, if I could buy something through the blockchain and not have to identify who I am, but yet have that person on the other end know that I am a real person, I'm not going to go do something crazy or anything like that. So this is an extremely important issue that needs to be solved. We're going to jump over to their site. So again, vertically integrated identity stack that works for everyone, everywhere. We've talked about a little bit of this because it was on their Twitter page, but look at these partnerships, guys. 250. These projects are currently using their technology. Arbitrum, Luxo, Polymath, Aurora, Avalanche, Ripple, right? All of these guys are using their technology. It's a $250,000 market cap. Holy mackerel. And of course, I am a holder of this. As I said earlier, we don't promote tokens that we do not hold. But you can spend some time on here and go through this whole thing. 8 blockchain ecosystems, 5 years of experience. This is right here, guys. 5 years experience. Okay, so this is my theory. My theory is that once the ETFs go out, what's going to happen is sophisticated investors are going to come into this marketplace. They're not going to buy meme coins. They're just not. They're going to look at it from a business fundamental. Who has technology? Who's been around a while? So we, the crypto community, loves the shiny penny. We love the new projects that we can get in and have these things go crazy. But the sophisticated investors are going to say, hey, who are the projects that have been around long enough and proven themselves out? Fractal, I believe, is going to be one of those projects. So let's do this. Let's jump over to idea. So here, I want to show you this little chart right here. See this little chart right here? We're going to go right here. I want to show you guys this. This is incredible, right? So this is the user, and these are 5 partnerships that have been put together in order to work on this. And you see that one of them is Fractal ID, $250,000 market cap. Let's go to Near Protocol. These are partnerships, guys. 3.7 billion Near Protocol is. Let's go back to the chart. Genosis. Boom. Look at this, guys. $500 million market cap. Let's go back to the partnerships again. We've got Will here does not have a token out right now. It's decentralized storage. But look at Alpha Zero, okay? I believe that's how you pronounce it, Alpha Zero. They just changed the spelling up a little bit. But look at this, $422 million market cap. All of these partnerships that Fractal is working with have market caps in the hundreds of millions or billions of dollars, except for this one right here, these 3 projects. Think about that. This is how I like to put stuff together. It's what's the potential? What's the possibility? 5 years, sophisticated investors coming into the space. Who are they partnered with? Who are they working with? How many people are using their technology? So this is absolutely incredible, guys. We're going to jump out here to, this is another thing. Look at this. I want you to think about this. There are very few tokens out there that myself I've gotten into that I could get back 98% of my money, even if something went really wrong, right? Check this out. $233,000 in liquidity with a $270,000 market cap. These are so close together, guys. You could get out 90-something% of your money at any time. Of course, once this takes off, this spread could go 5x, 10x, 20x, right? Depending on the momentum of this, which again would rise the price of this token significantly. Over 10,000 holders. Huge, right? Circulating supply, 659. We're going to come down here. We're going to look. Look at the DEX score, 99 out of 99. So wait a minute. We got a project, 99 out of 99 on DEX scores. It has been, and we can see there's front-running bots in here. So when you're buying this, you want to be careful, right? Front-running bots that are manipulating the price. They've gone in here and said, hey, this is a project. It's so low. We're going to go in here. We're going to manipulate because they can get involved because of the factors of it, and they can manipulate it. So you want to be careful when you're buying it that you don't get front run and drive up the price. But I got to tell you guys, this could be one of the best low cap projects that we've talked about and that we've put forward. Here's Quill Network. This one does not have a token out yet in the partnership side of things, but Fractal, it is just incredible. We're going to dig in. We're going to do a follow-up video on this. We have to, because we've got to dig into the technology of what they're building. What are the things that they're putting together here? But check it out yourself. Make sure you do your own research. Quick overview, just to put attention. This is the spotlight on the project for you to go in and say, this is a project that I want to be involved with, that I want to be a part of, okay? FCL is the token symbol, Fractal ID. With that, I'm going to say If you like this content, you want to learn more, the spotlight to be put on more projects that you, so instead of you having to spend hours and hours and hours trying to find these things, and then do hours of research, we cut out the hours and hours of finding them, and now you have just the hours of research, right? But if you can get into a token that's under $1 million that has the potential to go to who knows where, the returns could be worth every bit of the time that you invest in doing your research and getting involved in the project. So if you like this video and you want more of these, hit the subscribe button, ring that bell, okay? Because that's going to let you know when we put up a new video. Right now, we're putting up about 2 videos a day. We've already done about a dozen of them on low cap projects that have teams behind them. They're gaming projects, they're financial projects in the DeFi space, incredible projects. Please like the video, leave a comment. If you're one of the Fractal holders or you're on the Fractal team, if you can leave some comments down in the bottom, we want to get a lot more information on this. So we're excited about this project. I'm going to ape in and get some more because I got to believe that sometime here in 2024 that this project has a ton of potential. Thank you. Look forward to seeing you on the next video. Have a great day.